I want to give you a quick demo of task management, including a Notion sync in Wapi. So for example, here I have my traditional task list and I add a task. Create a task to record a demo for Notion sync for Wapi. So this is the standard way of creating tasks, where we can easily generate any new tasks right from our WhatsApp. So we create a voice note, the voice note gets transcribed, and then the transcription gets recognized as a task, and then that's added to our task list. So then I can then look at all of my tasks, and indeed here we see the new task. So if we then go to our database and we look at the last task that was added, it is indeed to record a demo for Notion sync for Wapi. And we can simply click on this task to mark it as done. And this will then get propagated to our Notion page where we can see it further. This task then gets created if I sort by task ID, and I can see it as the latest addition to my tasks. I can then wait for the sync to get done, and I will see that it indeed gets updated as finished. I can also do this from WhatsApp directly, where I could have asked Wapi to update the task to done. So I hope you enjoyed this little demo, and I hope you make use of Wapi Notion sync. Thank you.